Action Jackson. Today we have a Kindle error, encryption unsuccessful message review, whatever you want to call it. And this is going to go over what happens when you get this message. Let me just say it's not good. Okay, so usually when the Kindle stops working, it's because you get this message here. Is there any warning signs that this is going to happen? Yes, I believe there is. When the Kindle starts freezing up, also known as bricking, but freezing up, like when you click the internet browser or your pictures or anything within that nature, any type of icon, it won't load, and you have to basically reset it or restart. Well, when you restart and you get this message, it's not good. I'm not going to take a 5-minute video. It's going to be 3 minutes. So it says encryption was interrupted and can't complete. As a result, data on your tablet is no longer accessible. To resume using your tablet, you need to perform a factory reset. Okay, so factory reset means you're going to lose all your information, but you want the tablet to work still. So that's just pick your poison, and there's only really one poison to pick. So you'll lose all your information, but you obviously want your tablet still, so you'll just have to restart. So you go to reset tablet there, you click the reset tablet option. My Kindle is kind of all smudgy from the screen. It's what happens when you get a touch screen. So it's loading, and then you get this. Fire system recovery. Your Kindle doesn't seem to be able to boot. Reset your device to factory defaults. What you want to do is you want to you don't want to reboot you want to try reboot your Kindle first. If that does not work, which it probably won't, reset the factory default, and you click the power button on the back. Bam. And I don't understand why there's a million no's. You just do erase everything. Confirm. You want to confirm wipe of all user data. Unfortunately, you're going to have to click this option if you want to use your Kindle still. If you have that chance, and you'll see what I'm talking about in a moment. So you click the middle option. No. Well, you're going to be saying no. You click it, and it's erasing all data. I'll come back in one moment and show you what happens. So after about 5 to 10 minutes of the Kindle erasing itself, try to restore itself to factory settings. You'll see in 1 minute what happens. Okay, so the Kindle, after it's done erasing, it resets itself. So this is what you're going to get. Hopefully I have enough footage here, time, so this doesn't take forever. It's resetting. You gotta wait for this thing, the Kindle Fire, to glow. Okay, so the Kindle Fire, the highlights, glows, and you're gonna see what happens. You get the loop of death, and all I can say is your Kindle is toast. I think there is no possible way of repairing it. You can take it to a repair shop if you want. Amazon will offer you possible discount on a refurbished one. And my bottom line is you're done. The Kindle will not work anymore. You got to get a new tablet. And I would go with an iPad, because obviously. The bottom line is the loop, it's over.